Let me just spin this off real quick. Okay.
Okay, shooter make ready.
Yeah. All right. Shooter make ready. Okay, recording. All right. Okay. All right.
Stand by.
All right.
Good.
It's pretty good.
Probably not super fast, but that's you hit everything. So
That's good. I went for accuracy. So my draw was 188. My split 1, 2, 3.
2 at the steel.
2 on steel. The second shot was 0.55. And then my
0.97.
0.97. And then 1 second. Let's see. So it was like there.
This one.
That one. And then
You got that?
this one. And then that one. Or is that?
I don't remember which
Yeah.
one.
And then 1 on steel.
This one, I think.
Okay.
You ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Oh shit. Okay. Not bad.
Total 6.8. First one to second is 182. Then 321 going the other way.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'll take that back. Let's start over. 182, 139, 216,
1, 6.
and 143.
1, 4, 3. All right. Let me see.
2-2.
Well, I got like 1 shot here. Hold on, let me just
You
use
want
it.
to put a new magazine in?
Yeah, I gotta put a new magazine. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do this. Okay. 2-2.
Make ready.
All right.
Stand by.
Stand by. Damn, missed the last one.
It's because you were going for the speed shot.
Yeah. Oh man. All right, ready?
Range hot.
Range hot. Cool. Let's see what we got.
Mine felt pretty good.
Dang, your group is nice, man. Damn, look at that red dot right there. Wow.
One off.
1 off. Let's see what I got.
Might have shot 6 times though. I don't know.
Shoot, I had a winger. 2 off. 2, 3. Maybe this one too. 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That one's marked, but 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's mine.
That's yours. That's fine. So
Well, no, that's still only 4. That might be 1.
1. So I got
4,
1.
so you got 1 in there.
Damn, I need to get a red dot. I did 10 shots.
I did too.
All right, dude, your groupings are on point, man. Oh, look at this. I'm jealous, man. You got all this right here.
There's one.
Yeah. 2, 3,
Yeah.
4.
I can
10.
tell when I'm doing good.
I missed through 1, 2, 3, 4.